Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Rabani. I am going to tell about the database basics. What is database? Database is persisting data in relation model. We persist data in relation model. So we call as relational database management and here there are three ways of saving the data. One is CSV, second one is XML, third one is database relation model. What is CSV? CSV means comma separated values. In olden days, data is stored in form of the comma separated um, data is stored in form of the comma separated values. Is known as CSV format. Mm, what is here for example, here data is then 7369, employee number name is 7369, and his name is employee number is 7369, and his name is clerk. His date of joining is was 17 December 80, and his salary 800. Like this we save the data in form of the with comma separated values. For example, here 79499 employee number, and Alan is employee name, and he is doing as a salesman, and his date of joining 20 February 1 81, 1600 is salary, 30 is commission, and 30 is the department, 300 is commission. Like this we will store the data. Here the main problem is one most problem is the data redundancy. Same managed data will be repeated everywhere. If and we'll discuss what is data redundancy in future. And second one is if you have deleted and something here, it will leads to misconception. For example, here 7369 is the employee number, but name is someone saved without giving the name, but clerk is doing job as clerk, but here it leads misconception of his name is clerk. So if you miss something here, it will be leads misconception, misleads lead the entire data. So we go for the entire data. Here entire data will be misleads. mm, so s- um, Due to this reason, not only this reason, data redundancy is the one most problem. Due to both of these reasons, we will save the data in structure format. Structure format means XML gives a structure format, means a person data will be stored in terms of a person tag, where employee number is stored, employee number open and close tag here. Everything in XML data is stored in form of tags. Yeah, it is it has well structured, but mm, main problem is data redundancy. Main problem is data redundancy. Here necessary data is the only useful data is 7369 LN and 7902 managed number. These are only useful data, but due to save this small data, here we have to take this number of large data, gives a large number of large amount of file, means large amount of data. If I store large amount of data in XML, this leads several problems. High amount of it takes to store high amount of data, high amount of memory it will consumes. In case of CSV, it will takes less memory, but retrieval data is very difficult. It is not a well structured. Both having problem. To avoid those both problems, we will go for the database. In this each data is stored in database is has relation. One data is having relation with another data. For example, here employee table, it is employee table, and employee number relation. Why we call database as relation database management is here employee number, database one table has relation with another table, or one table same table has relation with same table, one column has relation with another column. Hence we call it as a relation database. For example, employee number, here employee number is and manager number is has relation. For example, department number and department and table has relation. mm, for example, if we go for the SQL prompt, for example, I am going to SQL prompt run as administrator. So you have to run it as administrator. Okay, and as administrator, login. I have given how to install all the install the Oracle 11G. Actually, that past three videos don't have the volumes. Those videos only for installation, so I haven't given any video to voice. Those having video but don't have voice. Sorry. Those videos having but don't have the voice. Just installation, no need of voice. So I haven't given any voice to those videos. Just login, enter, set line as 100. This means it will allow 100 watts. Set page, not page, size also 100. Enter, select star from EMP. I have already have EMP table and department table, so I'm just retrieving this data. I will explain what is it, why we are doing this. Select a star from it indicates select star from EMP means it indicates retrieve all data of columns from the database. For example, EMP select star from department, EMP DPT. Okay, select star from department. Okay, here if you observe these are called as metadata. Metadata means just column names are called as metadata. These are called as actual data. Actual data means data which you have persisted is known as actual data. The data which you have persisted is known as the actual data. Column names as called as metadata. These all are called as, this complete thing is known as employee table. And here each record having different records. Each row, these are called rows. Employee detail, each employee detail is a row. Means column, employee, here columns means metadata. Employee number column, a job column. This is about the job column. For here what is relation data, we will see here. Relation data means employee number is related with MGR. Means 7369 having MGR numbers. Manager whose manager number, employee number is 7902 if we haven't mentioned MGR is 7902, we have to give 7369 employee Smith, like with salary 800, and his manager is Ford, and his manager's job is analyst, and his manager here that, like we have to give a number of columns here. To avoid those columns, we will give simple relation to employee number to manager. This is called relational data. For example, if you have Smith is 20 to department 20, Smith having department 20 in department table is research department Dallas. If we haven't given this table here, we have to mention everywhere Smith clerk 7902, salary 800, like this. Here another column department, another column like research column, and his lives in Dallas. Like here you have to give number of lakhs of records. If lakhs of records are there, you have to mention everywhere. So the relation data will avoid the relational data will avoid, so that relation data will avoid the data redundancy. Data redundancy. We can avoid by using database. We will avoid the redundancy. Database management systems, we will avoid the Oracle, we will avoid the redundancy in data. How we will discuss more about the relation between tables in integrity constant chapter. We will see later. and thanks for subscribing my videos. Thanks to please like if you are impressed with my video, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. um, Please subscribe to my channel. Next video I am going to tell about the structure of data, means structure of table, how to create table and data types in the Oracle. We'll discuss in next tutorial. Please watch the previous tutorial also, it will helpful to proceed the next video tutorials. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.